Hello everyone. Today, I will guide you through how to connect Gemini to Google Sheets. First, make sure you are logged into your Google account. Open Google Sheets and create a new blank sheet or open an existing one where you want the Gemini connection. Next, go to the top menu and click on Extensions. In the drop-down menu, select Add-ons, then choose Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, type Gemini and press Enter. Locate the Gemini add-on from the list and click on it. Then click the Install button. A pop-up will ask for permission to connect the add-on to your Google account. Click Continue and follow the prompts to allow access. Once the installation is complete, close the Marketplace window. Now go back to your sheet. Again, click on Extensions, hover over Gemini, and choose Start. This will open the Gemini sidebar on the right-hand side of your screen. To connect your Gemini account, click Sign In within the sidebar. Enter your Gemini login details. If you do not have an account yet, there will be an option to create one. After logging in, the add-on will link your Gemini data to Google Sheets. That is how you connect Gemini to Google Sheets from start to finish.